Have you ever wondered if holding in a sneeze is actually harmless? Most people think stopping a sneeze is no big deal, but that's not really true. So what really happens? I'll explain. If you love God, tap like, hit subscribe, and share if it's true. A sneeze is your body's natural way of clearing out dust, germs, or irritation. When you hold it in, that pressure doesn't disappear. It gets pushed inward toward your sinuses and ears instead of out into the air. Most of the time, nothing serious happens. But sneezing exists for a reason. Sometimes your body just needs to let it out.